Welcome to the video, guys. Today what we're gonna be talking about are going to be the general settings of your board. So when you click on three dots, when you click on configure the board, the very first thing that you're going to see is going to be your general settings. The first and foremost is going to be your board name. You can always change the name of the boards. It's not gonna affect anything. And you should notify your team that you have basically changed the name of the boards, because they might actually get confused if they see something different. Board administrator, so there could be like multiple board administrators that you can actually assign into one board, but I would strongly recommend to keep it to one because uh, because you don't want to have like three board administrators who are gonna be, doing stuff like sharing filters to a lot of people, um, or actually changing the columns based on the workflow on how they thought. Imagine if you have three people and those three people are thinking differently on how the board should look like. So keep it as one. Location, it should be your project that you are on right now. And in here, so in the previous videos, I mentioned that board is actual visual representation of filters, and each board is based on the filter. So you can actually create filter if you go to the filters, and if you go for view all filters, and you will be having an option to actually create a filter right here. So that is the one thing, and you can edit the query of this filter. What this actually means to edit the query of the filter is to basically change the filter to match the JQL query. So there's the another thing, which is going to be shares, right? So when it comes to sharing, you can share your board within, it could be like within one person, it could be within the other project as well. So that means that the other project would have the access to the board of a different project. It really depends on how you actually want to do it. Now, you don't really want a board from one project to be shared within the another project. This is security wise, and it's not good practice to do it. Now, you can actually go, and when you go with the edit of the filter, share, as you can see, when it comes to the viewers, you first in here you see you have it for the project, and it's going to be for the Jira Bro, and it's going to be for all of the roles. Now you can select this to be for the group, to be the organization. So that would mean that that your organization, that can consist of multiple sites, can see this filter. Imagine that. Not a really good practice, but also you don't want to really close it unless you're creating one project for yourself, and you just want to keep the updates on like what is going on and things like that. And you would probably use the team managed project in that way. For the editors, here as well, um, now you can go to have it uh, for the user, right? So you want to have one user to make changes to the product, let's say, to the to the board. Let's say, I don't know, you have a product owner and scrum master, but they need to be aligned when it comes to the changes, so the changes could be made. So that is for that, and this is the filter query ranking using rank. Usually I don't change this, I leave it as it is. Projects on the board, so when you click view on the permissions, basically it redirects you to the permissions of our project. Nothing exciting in there, already seen. Then you have Kanban board subfilter. Actually, this is not being used, so you can really skip this, because like subfilter, like the only that matters is the main filter, the saved filter, nothing else. And hide completed issues older than 2 weeks. Yeah, there were some questions in the community like that happened, and they were like, my done issues like were gone from the board. What was going on? You know, and like there could be two things that could be done here. Either the filter could change. That's the first thing, and the second thing is this option right here. So that is everything for the general settings. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.